What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's episode, we're going to be taking Bluey, my 2026 Grabber Blue Mustang, to my local wrap shop because just like with my other Mustang, let me know in the comment section below if you are like me, but I absolutely love having stripes and racing stripes on my car, mainly because, let me turn you around. Mainly because if you look at Bluey, which is the nickname of this car, Bluey and Clifford, because the other one's bright red, so we thought to name it Bluey. It is a lot of blue. There's some black accents already from the factory, like the black grille. We're eventually going to change to the black wheels because we're going to end up putting the welds on. And with all that said, I feel like we need some more color. We need either more black, white, silver, something. So in today's video, we're actually going to be taking it to Ozark Wraps. I'll leave their link in the description if they did a good job. They don't know I'm even recording this. They have no idea who I am. They just know I'm another paying customer. So we're going to go over there, take this car, get stripes on it. You guys will have to wait till the end of the video to kind of guess what stripes they are. And then from there, we also decided to get PPF to just PPF the front end so that way rock chips and everything doesn't destroy it when I drive it. But I'm so excited because in my personal opinion, the Grabber Blue is an amazing color just like the race red. However, it is very, in my opinion, it is very bright, and we need a little bit of contrast to break up the beautiful color, just so that way it gives it that je ne sais quoi, that extra pop. So enough talking, let's get in the car, let's go over to Ozark Wrap. All right, guys, we finally made it here. Let me make sure, the sun is blinding me, but here we finally made it to Ozark Wraps. They usually hold a bunch of stuff. And actually, I want to show you guys one of their cars that they have here right behind me, just to show you some of the incredible work they have. They've done a ton of supercars. They sponsor some of the events out here. So big shout out to Ozark Wraps. This is one of their cars. This is a BMW that they fully wrapped. I believe it actually has PPF. I can't recall, but they do have a little bit of a logo right there. So amazing people, and the dude helping me has been fully amazing. So Bluey will be back hopefully by Friday, and she's gonna be looking different. But again, huge shout out to Ozark Wraps, and I hope you guys like the cinematics. So we're gonna be pulling some more whenever we get the wrap. And this is another one of their little things if you guys want to check them out. I think they're reasonably priced, and I've seen a lot of the work, and they do amazing stuff. So let's go ahead, fast forward to when you pick up Bluey, and hope you guys enjoy what it looks like. Well, guys, it is the next day since we picked Bluey up. I didn't prioritize recording me in 16:9 or this video format. I actually recorded it for short. So if you guys want to see my first reaction, link in the description. You will be able to see the short form content on either YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. If you guys want to follow me, I'll leave that all around. But in front of me, it will finally unveil Bluey's final look. That's probably going to be its look for quite a while. Except for the wheels, because unfortunately we're not going to be doing that this weekend or this video. We're actually going to be doing it on a different video. But let me go ahead and turn the camera around. We'll try to get some cinematics, and let me know in the comment section below, do you think this made look Bluey so much better? Because in my personal opinion, this stripe combination is so gorgeous. The wheels leave a little bit left to be desired, and in the rear we need to get a spoiler. We need to get some kind of wing to really give that aggression, because we are going to be doing this track style car. We're gonna be doing canards, a big old wing. But let's turn you around. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think? Because I think it looks phenomenal. But enough yapping, let's get some video for you guys, and let me know what you guys think. There you guys have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the cinematic shots. As you can see, we ended up doing an inspiration of a Super Snake 2024 through 2026 or 7 Mustang, because this is the exact same stripe setup they do. When I ended up seeing the unveiling of that and I knew I was going to buy a brand new Mustang, I absolutely knew I had to do that. Originally, the thought was to do this with the race red 2020 whatever Mustang I ended up getting, because I did want race red as well, because that's what Clifford is. But this color in person looks so gorgeous. So we ended up deciding to do obviously the Grabber Blue and then the white. I am not, by the stretch of the imagination, upset. I think this is going to be something that's going to end up looking gorgeous. If you don't already know, this is code nickname Bluey. This is my 2026 Mustang GT. And yeah, we got a couple things more to do to it. Not in this video, unfortunately, but probably in next week's video, we're going to end up swapping these wheels out to the Weld Racing wheels that I have that are silver and black, or chrome and black. That's going to really make this white pop even more. Eventually, we are going to put some white on this rocker panel. And now that the front has the chin splitter and everything else, some people in the comment section for my short form content actually hit the nail on the head. The rear end now looks like it's lacking something. We are going to be placing a APR carbon fiber wing. It kind of mimics the GT500 wing, but it's through APR. And then in the front end, to finish off that aggression, we're going to end up putting some APR carbon fiber canards. And then outside of that, it's pretty much going to be it for the aesthetics wise. I think we've already come a long way from the base model, putting the quad tips, putting the stripes, putting the chin splitter. Because honestly, from the factory, I don't think these cars look that terrible. I think they're just needing some slight additions to make it look oh so good. But let's wrap up this video. Let's give you guys a semi cool start. This area that we chose isn't too far from the house, so I probably drove 3 minutes, and I've been trying to get content here. So let's go ahead, turn her on, and then that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely enjoyed teaming up with Ozark Wraps, getting this car finally striped, because in my personal opinion, the blue just needed the extra contrast. So let's go ahead, do a cold start. Semi-cold. Yeah, you can tell it's not a cold start. But as always, guys, you guys gotta grind to shine. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for anyone who's joined me in this journey from getting this car. And honestly, thank you to anyone who has subscribed from the OG days, from either me uploading video games or me doing content with Clifford. I will be doing another video in the future comparing this car to Clifford, because I think you guys will all be surprised, but this car being a 5.0 versus my other 2015 Mustang being a V6 turboed, there is a night and day difference, and I don't want to spoil that video, but you may not actually think that this car is faster. So with that being said, again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys got to grind to shine, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and have a wonderful rest of your day.